There's a number of different things that you can do with the pen tool, but to start with I'm just going to show you how to draw with the pen tool. So you can see I've got an image here and I'm going to draw around a section of that image. So if I just zoom in, so spacebar and command, then spacebar to move, I can select the pen tool. So here on the left the shortcut is P, and I can start to draw around the area that I want. So if I click once and then click again, so I'm going around the edge, I click and hold this time, and if I drag, you can see how it will bend. Now this is called a handle, so these two are handles, and they allow the line to be curved as you're drawing. So if I click again, you can see how it makes it easier to curve the line. So you can see that the line has turned out quite curved using the handles. Now if I come back on myself, because I want to go along this line, and I click, you can see here how the line has bent round in a smooth fashion. That's because the handle's up this way. So if I just Ctrl Z to undo, I can then take my handle if I hold down Alt key, and I can move that to where I want it to go. Or I can hold down the Alt key and click on the point. So this anchor point here. So Alt and click. Then I can start the line again as if it's new. And you can see when I hover over this anchor point, a little circle appears next to the pen, and this means that you're going to close the path. So if I click on that, I can drag again to make that a little bit more rounded. It will close my path. That path will show up in the path panel. So if we go to Window and Paths, you can see down here I've already got a few in that it's got, or it's saved that as a working path. If I double click that, I can rename it so I have an idea of what's in that path, and it will be saved as that name. Each time you draw with the pen tool, make sure that the path is deselected, because you can see the blue line here, and then it will keep them separate. So if I click off that, P for pen tool, you can see that it's created a new path here. Again, I'll save that path. And I'll have two separate paths that I can do different things with. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we can use these paths to edit the image in different ways. So check it out.